Hello guys, I'm going to be talking to you guys about Neo today and where I feel it could go. Either it could go up or it could go down, depending on the overall market tomorrow. But I feel as though it's going to continue to kind of go down, but we're here to see if it breaks certain support and resistance level. If it starts breaking certain support and resistance levels, like for example, we're currently over here at 1263, and if it goes down to the 50 EMA at around 1221, if it tests it as support, I'm a little bullish. What I mean, if it tests it as support, it goes down, tests it as support. But if it goes up and starts using 12 around 1271, around 1271, 1274 as a form of resistance, we could go down even further. I'm hoping this move does not happen. But if we go down, if we go down to sorry about that. But right here, if we start going down to test the 50 EMA as support at 1220, and we start to rally and we start using this line as a form of resistance, then I'll be a little bearish on the stock, as you can see. It used it at resistance over here. It used it as resistance over here, and the stock went down to 1190. So I'm hoping it does not use it as resistance over here, because if it does, I do feel as it could keep continuing to go down. If the overall market is up, I do see this bouncing off the 50 EMA and going up. But I just want you guys to be aware, for if the stock does continue to go down, that it could eventually hit 1190, and we don't want that to happen. But if that's the case, I would say to avoid trading for tomorrow, Tuesday, Wednesday, as the CPI data comes out, and just having to mind that this is also a possibility of what can happen. So not to jump the gun and just put a trade. I'm looking at tomorrow morning to exit my calls, depending if I start seeing a certain trend pre-market in the morning. So that's my take on Neo, and I just want you guys to be aware of this possibility, so you guys won't get trapped in you guys won't get trapped in the opposite direction of your call option. So just taking that into mind, tomorrow I work at 6 in the morning, so I won't be able to post pre-market to see how it's going. I'll try waking up earlier to try post a video on the candles that I see in pre-market to determine what's going to happen for the intraday. But other than that, this is also a possibility. So just watch out. If you start seeing these moves, then Neo could take a hit like the overall market and retrace back to where it was before at $11. So thank you. This is my take on Neo, and I'll keep you updated tomorrow.